Hi, I'm Kevin. Today we're going to mix up a delicious botanical cocktail. The cocktail is called a Rosemary Greyhound, and it contains vodka, ruby red grapefruit juice, and a simple syrup that's infused with the beautiful perfume of fresh rosemary. The syrup is really easy to make. First things first, we need a saucepan with a lid. And into the pan goes 2 cups of water and 2 cups of sugar. Next, while stirring from time to time, heat the syrup over medium heat just until the sugar dissolves. Don't let the syrup boil or you'll end up with sugar crystals. Okay, my syrup is nice and hot and I can see little bubbles just forming on the edge of the pan, so off goes the heat and in goes 5 sprigs of very fragrant rosemary. And then we're going to cover the pan and we're going to let this steep for 30 minutes to 1 hour. We'll be back. Okay, I'm back. And let's have a whiff of this beautiful infusion. Oh, it's fabulous. And what we have to do now is strain it. So, and by the way, I let this infuse for exactly 1 hour. So I'm straining the rosemary syrup through a wire mesh sieve. And then we can discard the rosemary because it has already given up all of its essential oils. And by the way, if you're not going to use the syrup for cocktails immediately, you can always cover it with plastic wrap and pop it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and wonderful for 2 weeks or probably even a month. We, however, are not going to wait to make our cocktails. We're going to make them right now. Frankly, I'm so dry, I'm spitting cotton. Remember that line? And I'm making the cocktails in these little mason jars. Or actually, I guess they're ball jars. You can make yours in a martini glass or a lowball glass, whatever you like. And then we have to add some vodka. And we're going to add exactly this much to each glass. And then we add our wonderful ruby red grapefruit juice. And I'm adding a little bit more grapefruit juice than vodka. And then we need our fabulously scented rosemary syrup. And I'm going to add this almost to the top of the jar. And then to garnish the cocktails, we're going to insert a sprig of rosemary, just a small sprig. Isn't this beautiful? And get ready because we are going to have a little taste. Cheers. This is really wonderful. The fragrance of the rosemary, the sweetness of the syrup, and the ruby red grapefruit juice, and of course the little kick of the vodka. And I hope you'll give this a try someday. Also, I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you feel up to it, post a comment below. And I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Bye for now. Oh, this is really good.